Tell me, my friend, for how long we can control ourselves? We can't control. Yes, tell me. Tell me for how long we can control ourselves. We can't control ourselves. These YouTube videos, all the videos which you have been watching for years and years and years, all the videos are coming in front of you. These all are your one language or the language which you know. Like it could be Arabic, Hindi, Urdu, yes, whatever the language it may be. But one thing you have to understand that if initial level, if you don't do anything for that, if you don't unsubscribe those channels which are only in different languages except English, you can't improve it. Because all day long the videos which you are consuming, which is not English, you have to understand this fact at first. At least do for few months, 2 months, 3 months, at least do it. Then you see the changes. Then you will see the changes if you religiously follow it. 2 months, 3 months, you will see the changes. So please unsubscribe it. At least for 3 months you do. 2 months to 3 months you just do it. Take 90 days challenge. Just 90 days I won't watch anything except English. If you're searching anything on YouTube, it could be just a simple thing like how to ride a bike. If you're searching on YouTube, just search it in English, not in any other language. Just see, understand, prepare your mind for that. Your mind has to be prepared. For that you must have to understand this fact that I need to unfollow it for 90 days. For 90 days, not more than this. For 90 days only. Then your mind will get ready for that, to learn English. Because again we'll go to your own like Urdu, Arabic, you will go there. But if you are very serious about your goal that yes, I have to learn it, I have to crack the job. For that I must need to learn. You will do something for that. You understand this fact that when your goal is clear, you won't have any problem. That time you will definitely watch all the videos in English. Simple thing, you can subscribe it later after getting the job, you can again subscribe. Or for whatever reason you are just learning English, that time you can do it. You can again subscribe to that channel which you are interested in. It could be a blog, it could be anything, cooking channel. But for right now, you want that job. Yes, you want that career, you want that particular job. It could be any job. If you think that yes, my English is well, I'm gonna get that opportunity. For that I have to learn it. You won't have any distraction, you won't watch any sort of video because now your goal is clear. You want that job, yes, you want that business deal. So you have to learn it. Or any reason you have to learn it, you will do it. That's the secret, my friend. Try to understand. If your 95% content which is only in different languages except English, how can you improve? You can't do it. Even though you want to, but you can't do it. Because all the videos which you are watching, it is different language. So how can you think that you can improve a little bit? You can't do it. You never ever you can do it. Because you are consuming 95% content which is Hindi or Urdu, Arabic, and you are thinking that suddenly one day I will learn English. Is it possible? Never. It's not possible. It's never gonna happen. It's never gonna happen. You can't do it. Just understand that you can't do it. You have to do for something. You have to religiously watch all the videos which is English. Anything. Even you are watching a movie also, just watch in English. Take the challenge. Take. I'm saying you take. No matter what will happen in 3 months, nothing will happen. After 3 months you can watch whatever videos you want to watch. But for 3 months you just take the challenge that I will watch only English content for next 90 days. Just take that challenge and accept that and go for it. You will see your thought process has changed. You will that time try to learn grammar, sentence formation, speaking. You will find the way to speak fluently. So my friend, do it whatever I have said in this video, and I'm gonna come up with some new videos. So thank you for watching today. If you like my content, do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.